this is Litre Toolparts Plus. Today we have a 2022 Kia Picanto, stock number 6229. This ran from the 5th 2017 to the current shape. It has a G4LA 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a G4LA 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front 14-inch steel wheel good tyre, front bonnet no dents, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 14-inch steel wheel good tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right front guard no dents, right front headlight, right front 14-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door mirror, right front door no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,